Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Google Maps application and I'm going to tell you how I can easily share location on Google Maps. So, at first we have to mark the location we want to share with our friend or family. For example, let it be this coffee shop. Here, after marking that, we have to tap this button here. Now, as you can see, we can share it using the quick share option with iPhone, add to list on our Google account. Here, apart from that, we can share it by Chrome, discard, Google Drive, etc. You have every application. Let me share it with, for example, messages. And here we have our contacts. These numbers are fake, of course. But yeah. For example, Charlie. Next. And I don't have a SIM card, but here you can share your location. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.